Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a comforting Greek bean casserole called Gigantes Plaki. This tasty baked legume dish is so healthy and loaded with yumminess. So let's get cooking. In a large oven-proof skillet over medium heat, we'll add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. When it starts shimmering, we'll add onions, some carrots, and celery. By the way, if you want to keep your celery in the fridge longer, I have a great trick, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. We'll generously season with ground sea salt and saute the vegetables for 9 minutes or until they're softened. About 4 to 5 minutes through cooking, we'll add red peppers, which will add sweetness to the dish, and continue cooking until tender. Next, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute for 1 minute before adding a can of petite diced tomatoes, undrained. We'll also add some vegetable broth, season with my homemade Greek seasoning, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, a little bit of red pepper flakes, of course, freshly ground mixed peppercorns. You can use just ground black pepper, but the mixed ones are more fragrant, and fresh chopped parsley. We'll stir the ingredients until nicely blended and bring the mixture to a simmer. Then we'll add a can of lima beans, also known as butter beans. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll carefully transfer the dish to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the beans are heated through. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before garnishing with crumbled feta cheese. And my friends, these are our Greek baked beans, also known as Gigantes Plaki. Incredibly tasty, this healthy dish can be served as a mezze, a main vegetarian dish along with bread, or as a side. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!